walls of the tower with the new steel beams being fixed in the morning. It's a long and laborious process, and temps are beginning to fray between father and son.
She's enjoying it for a second.
Finally, Andy and his dad have finished, and these restorations